Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Saqib Iqbal and today I will be introducing you to a very useful data structure called DQ. Let us understand the introduction to DQ. This presentation explores the fascinating world of DQ, a versatile data structure with applications in various domains, from programming to algorithms to managing data in real world systems. This presentation made by Sheikh Saqib, Hussain Khan and Ambuj Singh. Now understand what is a DQ. A DQ, short for double-ended queue, is a dynamic structure allowing elements to be inserted or removed from both ends. Queue-like elements can be added to the rear and removed from the front like a traditional queue. Stack-like elements can also be added or removed from the front, similar to a stack. Versatile, this duality makes DQs highly adaptable for a variety of programming scenarios. Now understand types of DQs. There are two primary types of DQs, each with unique characteristics and use cases. First DQ, input restricted DQ, and second is output restricted DQ. In input restricted DQ, items can be added at only one end, but removal is permitted from both ends. And output restricted DQ, insertion can occur from both ends, but removal is limited to one end. Now understand the input restricted DQ. In an input restricted DQ, the constraint lies in the insertion operation, allowing new item only at a specified end. Insertion items can be added at only one end, and removal parties items can be removed from either end. Output restricted DQ. In an output restricted DQ, the restriction is on the removal operation, allowing removal only from a designated end. In insertion part, items can be added at either end, and the removal part is items can be removed from only one end. Basically, the DQ is very basic things in data structure. It will useful and very useful for data structure.